Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to turn on or off chat messages in chess.com, both on PC and on mobile. So we are going to begin with PC first. So once you've logged into your chess.com account on your desktop, you want to click on the cogwheel or settings icon on the lower left hand of the screen like so. This pop-up will appear. You want to click on all settings. Once you are in the settings page, you want to click on social. So in social, under chat and messaging, by default it is on, so it is enabled. So send and receive direct messages and game chat. So you can just toggle these off, and as you can see, when you see the green check marks, it means that you have successfully enabled or disabled chat and messaging on your chess.com account. When it comes to your phone, you want to tap on the more option, the three lines on the lower right corner, like so. Here you want to tap on settings again. So under settings, you want to go to social again. And the same thing, you just toggle on and off your messages. So allow game chat nobody, so or everybody. You can do that. There you go. And then you'll be good to go. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.